On my page, I posted a couple tools that I carry that are just kind of out of the norms. This is one of them. I'll show two great, both of these, so I'll show up these in application. I'm building a deck here, right? Putting in the posts. I'm notching these posts in. So to make the cut so I can see the line, the shading is bad right now. The sawdust is building up. So I take the little blower, that's what I've been doing, turn it on. There's multiple settings, and then blows the sawdust back out of the way. It does blow towards me, which can be a problem, but it didn't seem like too much of a problem. But I'm trying to figure out a way to rig this up to where it blows like that. I mean, just like that, I think would make a difference, and that way it's kind of not laying on the material. But super slick little tool. You almost need to buy a couple of these at a time because they do break. They're from Temu. They're like $8, $9, $10. Fantastic little units. Keep that out because I'm using it. But then my other tool I posted was about this little Japanese pole saw. So this is in my bags. I don't have to go find it, the tool stack. So this is finishing off the cut here, right? We got some leftover material in there. So I need to get in there and cut that out. Well, this is the tool to do it, right? Just such a slick little tool, especially one day in it. How you like that? Anyway, both of these tools in action, very much used every day on this here deck, which is turning out nice. Shigabaka.